Are you tracking goals on Google Analytics? So today's video is going to be about how you can set up goals and what kind of goals can you actually set up on Google Analytics so it aligns with your business goals and gets you more revenue from your customers. Hi, I'm Clarice Lin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, I talk all about Google Analytics, marketing tips, social media tips on how you can get more revenue, grow your customer base, and give your business a boost. Today's video is about setting up goals for Google Analytics. So a lot of people find that once they have their Google Analytics set up and then they have heard about goals, they're like, what's goals and what kind of goals should I set on my website? So I want to go into a couple of goals that you can actually set up on your website. Goals on your website should equate to an action you want your user to do on your website. It could be something you want them to click on, it could be a button you want them to click, or it's something you want them to download, or perhaps even submit like contact form. So on Google Analytics itself, there are 20 goals that you can set. For small businesses, usually they might set up to 3 to 4 goals. For big companies, they could set up to 10 goals or so because they have different revenue streams. Today, I'm going to boil down to the core goals that you can easily set up for your website. First one that you can set up on your website is your contact form completion. If you have a contact form on your website, track to see how many people send you an inquiry through the contact form. If they submit their email address, they ask a question, click on the submit inquiry button, you want to track that action, that they have successfully sent a message to you, because you want to know how many of these people coming to your website might become your potential customers. So tracking that enables you to know where these people are coming from, this group of people who have submitted those forms. So you can continue to grow those people and get more of those people coming from that place. The second thing you can track on is if you have a lead magnet, like a freebie for people to download. What you do is usually you set up an opt-in form where people will consent to give you their email address, and in return, you send them something useful. So you want to know that people are coming to your website, how many of them have downloaded your free stuff. If they're interested in downloading your free stuff, they could be interested in your paid stuff. This is a sign of identifying people who are qualified, they're interested in your products or in your service. And the third thing that you can track is how long do they stay on your page. So for example, if you have like a very important page, could be a blog post that you find that is generating a lot of leads. So you want to find out how many of those people who come to your website stayed on that page for a significant amount of time. Let's say it could be 2 minutes or 3 minutes. You can identify people who are really interested in this piece of information, so it's more likely you can actually promote other pages to them on that page itself. The fourth thing that you can track is the number of pages they have visited on their website. So let's say if someone comes to your website and then they visited like 6 to 7 pages, this sounds like someone who is interested to find out more about you. Perhaps they're researching on your story, your testimonials, or your other blog posts. So this is someone who is on their research process and could likely also buy something from you if they have made their decision. You could track those people and see how many pages have they visited as a goal by itself. So the 4 different goals that I have mentioned so far is contact form, downloading a freebie from you, how many pages have they visited, and how long do they have stayed on a particular page. So if you are an e-commerce small business owner, you're selling some product, so another 2 things you can track is, for example, if someone let's say they look at your product catalog and they click on the product catalog to view the details. So this is also identifying someone who is interested to find out more about a particular product. So what you can do is actually track this action itself, so you can get more of these people who are interested in your product. And the second thing you can actually track as well is to track the checkout process. If you're actually selling a product on your website that someone can buy from directly online, so you can actually track the step, like step 1, when you fill up the details, they select the products, and then they fill up the cart details, and on the final purchase button. So this particular process as well, you can work on improving this funnel, the customer journey. Do you want to make sure that the people who decided that they want to buy actually stay till the end and actually purchase your item? So by setting up goals on your website, what you are trying to do here is identify those high quality people or high quality website visitors, so you get more of those people coming to your website. Let's say more of these people are coming from your blog posts. So what you can do is optimize your blog post, or maybe write more relevant blog posts about that particular topic, so you get more of those people coming from those sources to make all these actions on your website. So when you have more people actually doing that, it's more likely this will bring up your revenue as well. These are a couple of suggestions that I have for you to start implementing your goals. So what goals do you implement on your website? Do you find any of my suggested goals useful? Let me know in the comments below. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and tap on the red subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. So till the next one, bye!